Hey kiddo, Appa's going to read Ocean, Waves for All by Stacy McAnulty, illustrated by David Litchfield. Appa's going to read Ocean, Waves for All. Dude, I am Ocean. You know my many names: Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, Southern. It's all excellent me. My salt water flows across the planet as one. I'm free. Earth is called the blue planet because of my epic deep water. I swirl over 71% of our world. I have no flag, no nationality. My waves are for all. I'm older than the air you dudes breathe. I've been here for about 4 billion years. Most of my salty H2O formed as a baby Earth began chilling, as in cooling off. But some water may have been delivered by icy comets. Boom! For millions of years, I was cruising solo. Then came land. Dry to my wet. I was stoked for this change. Life on Earth began in many epic waters, way small at first, like microscopic man, bacteria, algae, single celled organism. But life grows, changes, and totally gets interesting. Jellyfish, multi cell organisms, fish, plant life. And like a boss, I hold some righteous records. Home to Earth's biggest animal, the blue whale dwarfs any dinosaur. Longest mountain range, meet the mid-ocean ridge. Largest living structure, the Great Barrier Reef. This beauty can be seen from the moon, far out. I'm rolling in riches like gold, oil, silver, and even diamonds. I don't need a pavement to be the ultimate highway. More than 50,000 merchant ships can travel my waves on a single day. I deliver food, clothes, toys, books, surfboards, and everything you dudes need. I'm a deep, layered soul. Sunlight zone, twilight zone, midnight zone, abyss, trenches. My deepest spot at 11,030 meters is in the Mariana Trench. I could swallow the Mount Everest. Moon controls my tides, high and low, twice a day. Harmony. And I keep Earth's climate just right. At least I try to. I am the ultimate friend, your bro. Without me, there's no animals, no planets, no you. I want people to know me. You dudes have better pictures of Mars than of my bottom. Chaw, it's true. And more humans have visited outer space than my deepest spots. Awesome for outer space. Bummer for me. 90% of my waters are completely dark, cold, and yet totally rad. Come explore my secrets. Check it out. Tube worms, hydrothermal vents, volcanoes. Talk about totally tubular. Sad news, dudes. I'm facing a major wipeout. Whole islands of plastic and garbage float in my waters. Whoa, not cool. Some creatures are struggling to survive. Overfishing is a major bummer. Glaciers and icebergs are melting super fast. Too fast. But together, we can get back in the zone. Let's find that sweet balance. I am your neighbor, your friend, your past, and your future. Dude, I am Ocean. The end.